So I'm here in Samos, and behind me is a statue of Pythagoras. Pythagoras was born on this island around about 580 BC, lived for about 60 or 70 years, give or take. And Pythagoras is famous for Pythagoras' theorem, which we all learned at school when we were about 12 or 13, where for a right-handed triangle, the two sides a and b, a squared plus b squared, is equal to the hypotenuse squared. And it's quite an interesting link into Fermat, who was a French mathematician many thousands of years later in the 1600s, who postulated that there's an infinite number of solutions for a plus b equals c and for a squared plus b squared equals c squared, but higher than that there is no whole number solution. So for example, you can't get a whole number that's going to fit into a cubed plus b cubed equals c cubed. So he postulated that, but he never proved it. He sort of left a little side note in the margin saying, I can prove this, but there's not enough room in the notebook for me to write out the proof. And since then, for the last 300 years, we've been trying to prove whether Fermat was correct with his conjecture. And lo and behold, in 1995, a Cambridge mathematician did prove it. And so we can firmly say that, there is no whole number solution, for example, to a to the 5 plus b to the 5 equals c to the 5. And I think that's a nice connection in here to where I'm standing now in Samos, the birthplace of Pythagoras, probably one of the most famous of Greek mathematicians and philosophers. So please come down here and see this lovely statue, a testament to all his great work that he had done in a period where, Western thought was developing and Western mathematics was formulating. So yeah, it's a real honor for me to come and see this statue. Thank you.